hello to those people we call saints. The ones in society who love others in genuine need, who are too proud or often don't know how to claim what is working and reclaiming their whether it's because of disability, to bridge the gap while they're out of work, or to top up their income to make a living wage. Now, for the majority, the welfare system provides a clear